We're here in Austin, Texas at the IGEL Disrupt 2008 conference, and I'm speaking with Shawn from VMware. Can you tell me a little bit about your role at VMware and what brought you to the IGEL conference?
Sure. So thanks, Brian. I've been with VMware for about 3.5 years, and I'm currently serving the capacity of the Chief Technology Officer for the VMware EUC business unit. My role at VMware is kind of to look out at the emerging technology trends and help our business be set up for success in kind of the 1 to 3 year time frame in the future. So what things are coming down the pike that we should be investing in and extending our products to be able to take advantage of those things.
So how is the relationship between IGEL and VMware? How are you guys being used in the EUC space?
Sure. So it's great to be at IGEL Disrupt. We really appreciate IGEL inviting us and partnering with us on this event. I think we've been doing a significant amount of investment in the EUC space over the years, dating back to the beginnings of VMware EUC in the mid-2000s. And IGEL has been a close partner of us for many, many years in helping to change the cost dynamic on how desktop and app virtualization can be deployed to customers. A lot of the work they've done, both around thin clients as well as the new emerging software thin client, allows customers to deploy the technology more quickly, more cost effectively. And IGEL in particular was one of the first vendors in the thin client space that was utilizing our early Blast Extreme protocol enhancements to really kind of increase the user experience on commodity or legacy hardware in order to deliver the best experience possible on potentially in some cases some aging IT equipment to really drive the value out of a virtual desktop platform.
And so I know you guys have acquired a lot of different products over the over the course of a couple of years now. What's the main? What are you guys pushing right now as your EUC in the EUC space?
Sure. So our EUC business has grown out of two primary markets, and that was the Horizon virtual desktop and virtual apps platform, and then the AirWatch acquisition for enterprise mobility management. And through the first couple of years of those two products, we were selling them to different buyers in different markets and use cases. And we recognized we had an opportunity to bring those technologies together to build a broader end-user computing or end-user services story. And in 2016, we launched something called Workspace ONE that brought together the desktop and application virtualization with the enterprise mobility management with our identity technologies to deliver an all-encompassing solution that lets customers deliver any application to any device. And most importantly, we lead with a delightful user experience that a person has the same look and feel regardless of which device they pick up. They can just go to the Enterprise App Store for Apple or Google or Microsoft, download the Workspace ONE app, and they're off to the races requesting any application they need, whether it's an intranet web app, a SaaS app, a mobile app, a Windows app, a Mac app, and then experience cuts across all these devices, even including devices like Chromebooks, which we're starting to see significant increase in adoption in the enterprise. And again, the end user experience is consistent across all of them. We've seen tremendous growth of Workspace ONE in our customer base, and lots of people are excited about transforming how people utilize the technology and increasing their acceptance of all the technology we're delivering.
So you found that this is a really growing area for VMware?
Absolutely. I mean, VMware over the course of the last several quarters has been growing double-digit growth, significantly across our portfolio. We're in the quiet period right now on Q4, so I can't disclose anything about the results there. But I can just say that we've been growing gangbusters in all facets of our EUC business, and we're really now one of the largest businesses in terms of revenue within VMware. And so I think overall in the entire organization, they recognize how important EUC is to the success of the company.
Now, if somebody was interested in learning more about Workspace ONE, what's a good way for them to be able to check it out and try it out, maybe?
Yeah, so I guess the first thing would just be to kind of get yourself a bit educated on what Workspace ONE is all about. We've got multiple different websites on the VMware landing page about Workspace ONE that you can learn what technologies make that up and how the end user experience works. We've got a environment called VMware Test Drive that a customer that wants to try out our solutions can go and sign up for an account and get access to all of our technologies in an easy-to-consume fashion out of the cloud without them having to deploy a lot of infrastructure in their environments. They can get a taste of it before they have to go and do the deployment in their own environment. And of course, we'd always encourage our customers to reach out to their account team to be able to educate them on what technologies make it up and to get some expertise from our systems engineers, our professional services people to help them understand where it fits into their technology stack and what technology they could potentially replace or optimize through the use of Workspace ONE.
Okay, well, thanks for taking the time to speak with VMblog, and we wish you success here at the IGEL Disrupt Forum.
Thanks very much, Brian. Thank you.